So this is escaping literal quotes in strings. When you are defining a string, you must start and end with a single or double quote. What happens when you need a literal quote, double quotes, or single quote inside of your string? In JavaScript, you can use escape a quote. You can escape a quote from considering it as an end of string quote by placing a backslash in front of the quote. Okay, so it's basically saying in the example it shows right here, var sample string or str equals Alan said Peter is learning JavaScript. Okay, so it's basically saying when you want to use in a string, because in a string you use double quotes, and you also want to use like a quote as someone like speaking or making a statement, you can't use two quotes because this opens the quote, and technically this would, without the backslash there, close the quote, so then it wouldn't actually be complete. The computer would think that it's closing your string. So to avoid it, you could use single quotes, but you could use escaping, which is the backslash in front of it, which lets the computer know that this is an escape or literal. Okay, so this signals JavaScript that the following quotes is not to end the string, but should instead input inside the string. So if you were to print this in the console, you would still get this. Okay. Use backslash to assign the string to my str variable so that if you were to print it in a console, you would see this. So it wants you to use that concept. I'm just going to copy this, paste it here, and it wants you to use it's a backslash, so not forward slash, so it's the other one. Backslash looks like that. Backslash. So let's move this down a bit. I can't really see it. You need to use it here as well. You need to use it here. Double quotes. Yeah, so that's how it should look. That's the beginning, and that would be the end. So let's put it back on line 1, and let's run this code and check it. That's it.